Well, our time at the University of Montana is coming to a close, but not before we hear from one more student. Katherine has had a deep love for Montana since she was young, so it only made sense that she make her way here for college. Tell us more, Katherine.
Hi, Alex. Thanks for letting me share my story and some exciting news about the future of the University of Montana. I'm from Ohio, but I found my dream school here in Missoula. Growing up, my family called me a nature nut. I even went to high school at the Cincinnati Zoo Academy. So when I was looking at colleges, the University of Montana stood out for its awesome biology and environmental program. Plus, I fell in love with the vibe of the campus and community. My Griz family has connected me with so many great opportunities. I volunteer at Animal Wonders, a local nonprofit, and I interned for the Clark Fork Watershed Education Program. I've even taken a field course at UM's Flathead Lake Biostation, facilitated a virtual environmental exchange program for students in Vietnam, and earned a naturalist certification through the university's Zoological Museum. Within 48 hours of arriving in Missoula, I was paddling down the Missouri River with the Freshman Wilderness Experience, and I had so much fun that I returned as a backpacking trip leader this year. I'm also part of a lot of clubs on campus and love the DHC Ambassador Team and InterVarsity Christian Fellowship. So why choose UM? The university is awesome and it's only getting better. We're getting a new dining hall, new recital halls for our music students, and the College of Forestry and Conservation is getting a whole new building. In all, UM will see $61 million of improvements over the next few years. I'm so glad that I chose UM. Thanks to the programs and faculty here, I've developed as a leader, scientist, and advocate. Great opportunities, academics, and adventures also await you here at the University of Montana. See you on campus soon. Go Griz! Okay, back to you, Alex.
That was awesome. It seems like great things lie ahead for you, Katherine, and for the University of Montana. Thanks for giving us a sneak peek of UM's future. I can't wait to see how this place transforms over the next few years. Cheers, Katherine.